How to make something transparent inside SolidWorks 2020. So here's an assembly file. There are multiple parts inside. ASM is here, so it's an assembly file because parts are different. Inside an assembly file, you can right click on it and you have this yellow icon with an eye on it, change transparency. Just click on it and it's transparent. Click on another one, change transparency, and it's transparent. Okay, but if I close it with that X, there is nothing to save, so it's not saving that transparency. I have to open that assembly once again, and it's not transparent. Okay, so we have to use another method. By the way, you can use it from here also. So if I select that one, the last one is the transparency. That one and that one is transparent, and they are transparent. You can remove it from right click on it and change transparency and change transparency. Okay, if I open the part itself and go to the first one, open part, then it's not giving me that option up here. Right click. So the transparency is not up here but down here, change transparency. Now that one is transparent, right click the front one, change transparency, that is transparent also, and so on. Making it not transparent is a bit more difficult, so let's try. Right click here and notice it's selecting the one which is not in the front but is on the lower side. So how to select the front one? Well, one option is to select a part where two faces are transparent. Now it's selecting the front part, front face, and you can uncheck it. Here also to the right side and the top is transparent, so I can right click here and I can remove it, but this one is constantly going to select something else. So in this case, hold down the shift key and then right click. So shift, right click, and now you can remove that transparency. Okay, but another thing, this is also not remembering the transparency. So currently the top is transparent, there is nothing to save. If I close it, transparency is not here either. And if I close that one also and reopen it, transparency disappears. So we need another method to make things transparent. So select an object, we have this colorful thing, appearances is called. Click on that one and let's say use the first one, select that one. And here we have basic and we have advanced. Select the advanced tab and go to illumination. And transparent amount is visible here, and if I increase that one and save it with that green OK sign, it's transparent. And if I close it, now it's giving me the option to save it, and if I open it once again, voila, transparency remained there. Okay, you can either go back to that colorful appearance icon or we can uncheck it from here. And that's how to make something transparent inside SolidWorks 2020. Thanks for watching and bye bye.